Hi everyone, my name is Kazim David, and today on behalf of my team, I'll be presenting to you Linkvault and Remitflex. This is our submission for the Algorand Build a Bull Hackathon 2023, and our team is Unleashing Algorand's Potential by Revolutionizing Finance. So what is Linkvault and what is Remitflex? One of the questions we face in crypto from people that do not use crypto is crypto real money? How do I get on board? And I feel we need to promote mass adoption. We need to get more people into crypto. So we need to remove the bottlenecks that is preventing people from coming into crypto and staying in crypto. So I feel one of the bottlenecks is the tedious process of onboarding someone into using a blockchain. For instance, for Algorand, you need to set up a Pera wallet, deal with 25 secret phrase and all of that. I feel it's quite tedious for somebody that is just trying it out. So to onboard a user, we created Linkvault, and Linkvault just enables you create non-custodial wallet and provide it to people via a link or a QR code. So you want to onboard somebody, you can go on Linkvault and you create a non-custodial wallet, and we give you a link and a QR code that you can share to loved ones. You can share as a tip. Then you can also load in assets and Algorand, USDC, whatever you have, NFTs into the link, and then share it to your loved ones. So it makes it easier for them to come on board because they have a link with some assets that they have to redeem. You understand? So I feel coming into crypto with gifts that they have to redeem is a better way to onboard more people into crypto. So that's why we created Linkvault, and I could think of a whole lot of use cases for Linkvault. So we created a software development kit to enable people to build on the technology that we have built, to build on it to create more apps. So they can create more apps with use cases such as gaming, NFTs, payment, supply chain, and what have you. We are the first users of our SDK, and with our SDK we were able to build out Remitflex. So Remitflex just allows people to make remittances in Africa and also allow them to make over 18,000 bill payment across Africa. So with Remitflex, what we do is you can just get a link. You can get a Linkvault that has been created, and from there you can use it to make your bill payment, and you can use it to redeem money to loved ones and all. So I'll just take you through how it works now. Here's our website, linkvault.com.ng, and it basically explains all that I've done. So the link is your vault non-custodial Algorand wallets via a link. Then you can create a link vault. Then you can understand what we do. Then it just shows that you can share crypto via just a link. So before I proceed into the app proper, let me just walk you through our documentation. We published an npm package, and our npm package, just by installing that, you'll be able to just create a vault easily and get the wallet information of a vault. We also provided examples for you to create and fund a vault with Algorand, to fund it with assets and NFTs, and for you to opt in transactions on the Linkvault wallet. So let me go to the Linkvault app and then proceed to create a Linkvault. So I would connect my wallet. My wallet is already connected, and then I can see the assets in my wallet. So I want to fund my Linkvault with USDC. I don't have much, so I'm going to be doing just 50 cents. I can also choose to create an empty Linkvault which I can fund later on. So if I click on create, it prompts me on my Algo wallet to sign the transaction to create a Linkvault. Then also the transaction to fund with the USDC. So after funding that, then I get my link. So I can copy the link, I can share it to someone, or I can send the QR code to someone. So now, visiting this link, for the person I shared it to, what the person will see is the assets in the wallet. We have the tokens, we have the Algorand itself, and we have NFTs. And then we can now proceed to deposit more or proceed to claim. So our claim feature, you can claim to the connected wallet, you can claim to the wallet that is currently connected, then you can claim via Remitflex. So Remitflex is the second app I mentioned, and like I said, it allows you to make remittances to loved ones and also pay over 18,000 bill categories in Africa. So I think let's start with that. So our domain for that is remitflex.com, and from clicking that you are able to your Linkvault is already there. But if you don't have that, you can scan the Linkvault QR code or manually input your Linkvault into the input field. So we can proceed. Then when we proceed, it already shows the wallet address of the Linkvault, the public address of the Linkvault we created, and then we can proceed to send money. So now I have 50 cents there. I just want to send 1 cent, which is 111 naira, via this conversion rate which we got from a standard rates provider. Then I can proceed. So I can select my bank, which is Access Bank, and then my account number. Then I can set a reason. Maybe my reason is upkeep. Then I can proceed. So after proceed, I have the opportunity to review my transfer. Then it shows me how much I'm paying. This value will be charged in USDC, and then I can click on proceed. So it takes a few moments. Then my transaction is successful. So if we view the Algo Explorer, then we can see that we made a payment of 0.1 USDC to the receiver, which is the merchant address for Remitflex. So whenever this payment is made, then I would get the payment. I will get the payment for 100 naira into the bank account I specified. So back to Linkvault. Back to Linkvault. We've tried the via Remitflex, and back to Remitflex. Let's go back to dashboard. On dashboard, we can also try pay bills, and we can see that you can pay bills in multiple categories, like I mentioned, across multiple countries: Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Zimbabwe, and Kenya. And you can make airtime payment. Let's try airtime payment. So I can select my network provider, then I fill in my mobile number. I select the amount. For instance, I just want to do 15 naira, which is about 0.04 USD. Then I proceed. So after some time, my transaction goes through, and then I receive the airtime directly to my mobile number. And we can check to see if the transaction was also successful here. And we can see it charged 0.04 USDC, which is 15 naira in total. So back to Linkvault also. I want to explain how our technology works. So when you create a Linkvault, what we typically do is just we create an Algorand key pair for you. And since we are familiar with the fact that Algorand uses EDD 2519 Noble Curve encryption, what we did is we broke the secret key that Algorand gives you. We break it into two, and then we encrypt the secret key and leave out the public key, since we know that from the secret key we'll be able to get the public key. So we encrypt the secret key into using base 58 encryption, and we were able to get this part of the URL. So we just added LNV to just like signify Linkvault, and then when you visit the website, we just decode it for you. All of this thing is non-custodial. We are not storing anything. Both on the blockchain. We are not storing it in any database whatsoever. So your link is your link. You only have access to your wallet. So you can also come here and withdraw to the connected wallet. So you can just connect and you've successfully claimed your assets. So if you check now, I think there should be no more assets in the wallet. So I think that's basically how our technology works. I believe there's a whole lot more we can do with Linkvault, and I hope you enjoyed our project. Thank you.